Yes, TripleTechGhana. If today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, share, and comment on my videos. Yes, today I'm going to show you a new feature in WhatsApp. This is a new feature in WhatsApp. So if you are on ISO or on Android phone, update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Use this feature. Yeah. So let's go into WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp. So when I go to help, this is the version of my WhatsApp. So if you are below this version, you have to update your WhatsApp. This is the latest version. So yeah, when you go to WhatsApp, they have added a new feature that you can record audio and put it audio, or record any voice message and put it on your WhatsApp status. So yeah, go to status. When you go to status like this, then you click and let this one. When you go to WhatsApp like this, then you click on the pen icon, this icon, the pencil. When you click on the pencil like this, at first there was nothing like this. Now they have microphone here. So as soon as you click on the microphone, you have to tap on it, then you start recording everything that you want. Press it, you record everything that you want to say, then you release your hands from the microphone like this. So when you play, you can play and listen to it before you can tap on it, then you start recording everything that you want. Press it, you record everything that you want to say, then you release your hands from the microphone. Yeah. Then you send it. Once you finish recording, you can't add any text to it, so you have to send it. Then you click on send, then it will send. Anyone on your WhatsApp or any of that have your number can view and play the audio. Then you start recording everything that you want. Press it. Record everything that you want to say. WhatsApp right now. Then you release your hands. Update your WhatsApp and use this feature. Thank you. Yes, TripleTechGhana. Like and subscribe, share, comment for new updates. Stay tuned. Bye bye.